Hello and welcome to my channel Ramble for Rapture. This is Pooja Singh and today I am at one of the most iconic and haunted place of Maharashtra, Shaniwar Wada. Shaniwar Wada is a historical fortification in the city of Pune in Maharashtra. It was built by Peshwa Bajirao I in the year 1732. Originally, this fort was planned as a 7-storied stone palace, but after the construction of the first floor, the people complained that a stone palace can only be built by a king and not a Peshwa. So the rest of the construction was done by wood and bricks. Shaniwar Wada stayed with the Peshwas for a long time before it was taken over by East India Company. Shortly after that, a massive fire razed entire palace to grounds. So अभी जो रह गया है वो सिर्फ स्टोन बेस रह गया है. चलो मैं आपको शनिवार वाड़ा दिखाती हूँ और फिर मैं आपको साथ में ये भी बताऊँगी कि ये प्लेस हॉन्टेड क्यों है. Shaniwar Wada is open on all days of the week and the timings are 8 AM to 5:30 PM. And I'm here exploring Shaniwar Wada with my friend Nikita.
I would recommend walking atop the entire perimeter of Shaniwar Wada. आपको यहाँ से पूरा फोर्ट दिखेगा.
मैंने इस वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि शनिवार वाड़ा एक हॉन्टेड प्लेस है. सो हियर्स द स्टोरी. पेशवा नारायण राव had some differences with his uncle Raghunath Rao, and so he had kept Raghunath Rao under house arrest. Following which, Raghunath Rao sent a message to Gardi community, which are tribal hunters, to come and catch Narayan Rao. This message was changed by his wife Anandi Bai from catch Narayan Rao to kill Narayan Rao. When the Gardis entered Shaniwar Wada to attack him, he ran towards the uncle shouting "Kaka Mala Vachwa," which is in Marathi. इसका मतलब होता है "Uncle save me." But Raghunath Rao did nothing, and the body of Narayan Rao was cut into pieces. It is said that after this incident, the Narayan Rao returned here as ghost and roams around screaming "Kaka Mala Vachwa." The Pune residents mention that they still hear these voices on full moon nights. So this place is considered haunted. Wada has 5 gates or darwaza, What you see behind me is called दिल्ली दरवाज़ा. ये सबसे बड़ा और मैग्निफिसेंट दरवाज़ा है. It is called दिल्ली दरवाज़ा because it faces the north towards Delhi. ये गेट बहुत ही बड़ा है. It is big enough for the entrance of elephants.
This gate has 72 sharp 12-inch steel spikes on each pane to crush any elephant charging towards the gate. This gate is currently used as entrance for general public. Second, Mastani Darwaza. This gate was used by Bajirao's wife Mastani. Khidki Darwaza. This darwaza is called Khidki Darwaza because it contains an armored window. Next is Ganesh Darwaza. This gate got its name from the Ganesh Rang Mahal which stood near the gate. Narayan Darwaza. This gate was named after the remains of Narayan Rao Peshwa were taken out from this gate.
शनिवार वाड़ा being one of the most iconic places in Pune, मुझे यहाँ तो आना ही था.
Shaniwar Wada is a very interesting place when its royal charm is coupled with the spooky stories.
So that is it from today's video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So he ran towards his uncle. Raghunath Rao did nothing and the Gardis cut the body of Narayan Rao into pieces. It is said that after that